Hello everyone, welcome to the new vlog. In Arkansas, we had two snowstorms back to back in this month, and at the same time, the cold from the north has caused the temperatures to plunge below 0 Fahrenheit. We had approximately 6 inches on the ground by end of these two storms. It was so cold that we tried doing this trending boiling water in cold weather experiment. Check it out. We didn't go out for almost a week and just came out for a walk. Look at all the snow on the staircase. I have never seen this much snow in our area. Look at my car. It might take at least 30 minutes to clear all the snow. Everything is covered in snow. We can hardly differentiate the road and the footpath. We went to the mailbox to pick up my mails.
Hi. Look at our plants. Oops. They are dead. Look at that. That's sad.
Snowbank sonra yine snowbank.
Look at the ice there.